Hey there, ready to set up Nooku on your Mac? Great choice. We'll walk you through the process step by step, and I promise it'll be smooth and easy. Let's get started. Head over to the sign up page and follow the quick registration process. Already have an account? High five, just sign in with your credentials and we're ready to go. Now that you're in, it's time to grab Nooku for your Mac. Head to the download page and hit that download button for macOS. Easy peasy. Once the download is finished, you'll find the file in your Downloads folder. Yep, it's already waiting for you. Alright, let's get Nooku installed. Double-click the DMG file to open it. Then simply drag that shiny Nooku icon right into your Applications folder. Done? Great. Now, go ahead and open your Applications folder and double-click Nooku to launch it. Ta-da! Nooku is open and ready to go. Before we start, it's time to sign in. Use the same credentials you used to create your account. Don't worry if you don't have Node.js or Git installed on your Mac. Nooku will help you get those set up in no time. Let's talk about Node.js and Git. Nooku needs these tools for managing your projects, and if they're not already on your Mac, here's what you'll do. Click the link to download the latest version of Node.js. Run the installer and follow the steps, just like installing any other app. Next up is Git. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website and install it in a few simple steps. To install Git, copy and paste this command into your terminal. Open Terminal, press Command plus space, type Terminal, and hit Enter. Ready? Now let's install Git. Git is now installed and ready to use. Great job! Now go ahead and restart Nooku. Once it's back up, you'll be greeted by the Nooku dashboard, your new command center for all your projects. And just like that, you're all set up. You can now start creating your web applications using Nooku. Go ahead and dive in. We can't wait to see what you'll build.